So this is the architecture diagram of our project. In our diagram, in our project we will be having Arduino, and in Arduino we will be connecting temperature and smoke sensor. So we will be setting a default temperature as 80 degrees Celsius, and if temperature sensor and smoke sensor detects the temperature greater than 80 degrees Celsius, it will be considering it as a fire accident and send the signal to Arduino. Then Arduino will send the signal to buzzer, and it will be an alarming signal so that the driver will stop the train. And there will also be an LED lights red and green in the driver's compartment. So if the accident is severe, then the red light will glow, and if not, then green light will glow. Then this message will be sent through GSM, and through GSM module, the driver will get to know about the fire accident, and there will be LCD display in the driver's compartment which will display the compartment which got affected by the fire accident, and driver will get to know. And we will also be having GPS, through which the nearby fire station will get the alert message, and the fire brigades will come. They will vacate the passengers and do the necessary steps required to stop the fire. Now my friend Nikhil will explain about the components we are using in our project.
So here are some of the components which we are using in our project: power supply board, fire sensor, GSM module, red green LED light, buzzer, LCD display 16 cross 2, GPS, and some jumping wires. The main use of the power supply is it is an electrical device that supplies electrical power to an electrical load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert electrical current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to the power load. And the main use of power supply is these devices are respond to presence of the smoke or extremely high temperature that are present with a fire. And use of GPS is this system consists of three segments: the space segment, control segment, and the user segment. And the use of alarm is the main use of the alarm. It will alert the passengers. And the GSM module is a hardware device that uses the GSM mobile telephone technology to provide a data linked to remote network. And the LCD display, it is a flat panel display or other electronically modulated optical device that uses the light modulating properties. And now my friend Girish will explain the.
Now let's see the demonstration of our system is working or not. Now first we will check our sensor is working or not. Yes, here the fire accident has happened and it has detected and the red light has blown and you can see the LCD screen display also. Now what happened means here the GSM module will send the information to the buzzer and it will on. Now the buzzer will make some sound and the information is sent to the telegram. Through the Telegram, we are giving information to the user. And not only that, in Telegram, we are sending the exact location also through latitude and longitude. And because we are using the Telegram app, so we need a small internet that will at least 1 Mbps or below 1 Mbps also it can work. Now we are going to see the location. See here, we can see the location in Google Maps.